You want a place ready and set aside to hold all of the exercise files for the class. So what you do is you go to the C drive of your Windows Explorer or your My Computer, and we're going to create a brand new folder called Joe's to Pros by right-clicking the C drive and choosing File, New Folder. You will notice a new folder appears, and you will have the opportunity to change the name. We will call this Joe's to Pros. Now currently, there's nothing in here. We're going to download these files from the website. Once you're logged in, click the Resource Center. Find the course you're interested in. In this case, we'll use SQL 2012 Queries 101 Labs. Under Actions, click this link. You'll notice your browser gives you an option to save this file. Be sure to choose Save As so you can pick the location of where you want to save it to, and save it to the Joe's to Pros folder you just created. When you see the Download Complete box, go ahead and click Close. Going back to your Windows Explorer or your My Computer, expand your C drive, click your Joe's to Pros folder, and notice you've got your zip file right here. Right-click this file and choose Open with Windows Explorer. The zip file usually contains more than one folder. The easiest way to select all of these folders is to click inside of this window and then do the Control-A key combination. Drag all of the contents to the Joe's to Pros folder, let it copy, and then confirm that all of these folders copied underneath the Joe's to Pros folder. Okay, you downloaded your lab files. The next step is using them. Before doing this next step, you already need to have SQL Server installed. If not, then please view the video on the website of how to install SQL Server. Go back to your desktop, go to Start, Programs, SQL Server Program Group, and select SQL Server Management Studio. If you've installed SQL Server Developer and you don't know the name of your machine, you can just put a dot in for the server name. If you installed SQL Server Express and you don't know your computer's name, then you can put a dot / SQL Express. With your credentials in place, click Connect. Look in the upper left corner of your SQL Server Management Studio File menu. Click File, Open, File. And from here, we'll navigate to the C drive, the Joe's to Pros folder we created, and then the Labs setup files. And here's where you choose the file of the reset script you want. For this book, there is only one reset script. If you're using one of our larger books, there will be more reset scripts. As you go through the book, it will always tell you which script to run. Here, we're going to find the script inside of this folder, choose it, and click Open. The script opens up in the window pane to the right. Now all you need to do is click the Execute button. This should run for a few seconds and then give you a success indication at the bottom. On my system, it took 7 seconds and indicated that the query executed successfully. You can now close this window out and you're basically done and ready. But if you want to look around and make sure, it's a good idea to expand the databases of the Object Explorer and make sure the databases you need are present for your lab. When it comes time to do your practice exercises, you simply open up a query window. And this area is where you're going to type in all the code for your practices and labs. Well, that should get you started.